In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a front sway bar link on your Toyota Highlander. Remove your 5 21mm lug nuts. Remove the front wheel. Using a 17mm socket, I'm going to remove the sway bar link. Also going to put a pair of locking pliers on the back to hold the stud. Remove the stud out of the bracket. Do the same thing on the bottom where the sway bar link attaches to the sway bar. And remove the stud. Install the new sway bar link and the nut. Install the stud in the top and bottom. Using an 18mm wrench, hold the back of the sway bar link, and using an 18mm socket, tighten down the nut. Install the sway bar link into the strut. The nut is oblonged to act as a locking nut. Using an 18mm wrench, hold the back while using an 18mm socket to tighten the front. We'll torque this bolt to 30 foot-pounds. Torque the bottom bolt to 55 foot-pounds. Install the front wheel. Put in your 5 lug nuts. You will need an alignment after this job is completed. Tighten the lug nuts down in a star pattern to make sure the wheel seats square. And then with the car on the ground, we'll torque the wheels. Torque your lug nuts to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.